Hiccups, the tiny ninjas of the body. Let's uncover their secrets. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. Then your vocal cords snap shut, causing that hic sound. Common triggers: eating too fast, carbonated drinks, spicy foods, or even sudden excitement. Usually hiccups vanish on their own, but if they stick around for more than 48 hours, see a doc. Now for those weird tricks to stop hiccups. Hold your breath, drink water upside down, or even get a good scare. So, which one will you try next?